Hello Arians, this is me Kushali and you're watching world's first 4K Zodiac channel, astroflix.com. They say that passion never fails. They said it for you. Your inner fire moved mountains in 2016. It is time to add some more fuel and do a lot more in 2017. 2017, it is a new year with new goals, new dreams, new people and new experiences. Who knows, your passion might get you the promotion. Your inspiring nature might make you a good business leader, and your innate spontaneity may make your relationships fun. A lot of surprises are lined up and we have a lot to talk about. Let us start with your career prediction. As the year begins, the future of your career looks uncertain. However, it will soon become clear in the middle of January. You will have to handle an important task between mid-March to mid-April. Starve your distractions and feed your focus. You will finish it. The good news of the year will arrive in the month of September. A salary hike is predicted for those of you having a desk job. The first half of 2017 can be full of long hours and deadlines. On the other hand, the second half is much more relaxed and smooth. It won't be fair if I reveal too much about that. To know about the second half, get the career report for 2017 prepared by our renowned astrologers at Ganesha Speaks. They say that your career is your business. You must manage it well like a CEO. On that note, let's take a look at a business prediction. Like your career, the future of your business too looks uncertain in the beginning. More clarity is visible from 20th of January. The time till the mid-February looks very favorable for locking a major deal. The time from the 4th April to mid-April is inauspicious for collaborating with a new business partner. I also advise that you avoid the company of pleasure-seeking friends. Things will get a little difficult for a while. Continue to work hard at your goals during this time. Tough times never last, but tough people do. In the later part of the year, there is a possibility that your business may operate illegally. Take care and make sure that this doesn't happen. You can avoid this situation by buying the business report for 2017. Our renowned astrologers are no less than business pundits. They will give you all the solutions. Money management plays a large role in a good business. Let us take a look at your finance predictions. The planets are supportive for more earnings. There are more scope for the improvement of your financial position. You will manage your money successfully. Do not take any financial decisions in the time between March to middle of April. It is an inauspicious period. You will get more opportunities from April to August. The planets will favor you during that period of time. This is very favorable for real estate investment. It is an auspicious time to buy a new house. Some of you may even buy their first house. This auspicious time continues for a while. To know more, get our financial report, which has a detailed analysis of your financial year for 2017. Security not only comes from money, but also from relationships. Let's move ahead with your relationships predictions. Relationship and compatibility. Most of your relationships will be harmonious this year. At a certain point, some kind of withdrawal may be experienced. However, it won't continue for long. The time from mid-February to March end is a favorable period for short-term relationships. For sensual relationships, mid-April to June is a favorable period. There will be some family disturbances from 5th April to 5th May. Luckily, the planetary positions are supportive here. They will help in making the relationships more harmonious. The month of May is very crucial for eternal relationships. The planets are very supportive for committed people who take their relationships seriously. According to our astrologers, flexibility is one of the secret ingredients for successful relationship. Well, there are other secrets too, but I won't reveal them here. Buy the Personal Life and Relationships Report for 2017 and know it all. Every good relationship, especially marriage, is based on respect. On that note, let's take a look at your marriage predictions. The planet of love and beauty is a major influence on the relationship between the couples. Stay committed to your partner. Commitment is a foundation of trust between you and your partner. It helps in the long run. Parents will be happy this year. The first half of the year is auspicious. The children will achieve more and it will be worth taking pride. Some attention towards children might be needed in the second half of the year. You can know all the precautions to take by buying our 2017 marriage report prepared by our skilled astrologers. They know the nitty-gritties of a successful marriage. Good education and lifestyle are very essential in selecting a good partner. Let us take a look at education and health prospects. It will be difficult for students to concentrate on studies. This situation will continue till the middle of the year. The auspicious time starts from the month of May. The efforts thereafter will bear good results. Hard work can indeed change luck. No diseases or infections are visible before the month of May. The period after May is quite inauspicious. There is a chance of encountering diseases and infections. I strongly advise you to improve your lifestyle to cure the illness. Well, this year has lot more in store than this. In fact, this was just a small sneak peek. I wish I could give you a detailed analysis of whole year along with the solution to all your problems just like our astrologers do. But I believe that the future depends on your present actions. You can know and change your future by buying our 2017 yearly report along with all these reports right now. They have solution to all your problems you will be facing this year. So, visit www.ganeshaspeaks.com and change your future for better. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel astroflix.com, world's first 4K Zodiac channel.